Hey, it's the Urban Soul Chef. I'm in the kitchen tonight frying a little chicken. And I always use my herb and oh, I got to turn the phone back this way. I always use my herb and spice blend for my chicken. And it's really good. Go to my website, www.urbansoulchef.com. Check out some of my recipes, and you can also order some of my chicken seasoning, which is good for fish. It's good for pork as well. Frying chicken is so relaxing to me for some reason. See if I can flip this with one hand. How does that look? Now this chicken, I double coated it and also marinated it in buttermilk. You can also follow me here on Facebook. Just look at my name up there and click the link and go follow my page. But go to my website. Check out my website, urbansoulchef.com. Great recipes over there. And also, like I said, I got some chicken seasoning, which can also be used on pork and fish. It's excellent for broiling. I even use it on liver. Fried some liver with it, and I was like, wow, this is the best liver I've ever tasted. If any comments are coming through, I can't see nothing, so that's why I'm not responding if you're making comments. What I'm doing now is typing in the name to my group. Not my group, but my page, actually. Go over there and follow me. Do me a favor, follow my page. Do me a bigger favor. Go out there and order some of my spices. There we go. I got the links in here, so let's go check out my links. This chicken is looking good. One of the things I hate about chicken, too, is that the parts are so big now. And because they're so big, they take so long to fry, or either you have to deep fry them. All right. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll be posting more videos, especially over on Urban Soul Chef. God bless you guys. Have a great night. Because I know I am once I start eating this chicken.